Mobile Workbench includes a basic one-way messaging system. Users of Mobile Workbench can receive messages on their smartphone from an Access Care user. The type of messages are divided into 3 categories, which include bulletin board messages, Jeopardies, and the message of the day. Let us first take a look at bulletin board messages. Bulletin board messages allow Access Care and Mobile Workbench users to communicate with one another. Bulletin board messages can only be sent from Jack, which is the Java version of Access Care. Universal Ticket and Mobile Workbench users can read but cannot send bulletin board messages. And unless a particular date is specified by the sender, bulletin board messages are automatically removed after 6 days. Therefore, it's a good idea to check your messages regularly to avoid missing any important information. Jeopardies can be generated by the system or by an operator. A Jeopardy will be raised if the Jeopardy interval has been exceeded because you did not check in or sign on to Mobile Workbench before the configured Jeopardy interval, or if you did not end your day by the configured end of day time, which is your normal workday ending time. Other Jeopardies include Tech Overload or Tech Underload, depending on the amount of work assigned to you. In later modules, we will learn to configure the check-in time, end of day time, and Jeopardy intervals. Users with administrator level permission may change the message of the day using Access Care. The message of the day will appear on the home screen of all Universal Ticket users and on the messages screen of all Mobile Workbench users the next time they log in. To check your messages, click or tap the Messages button on the main menu. The Messages screen will display the bulletin board, Jeopardies, and message of the day. You can expand each band by clicking or tapping the arrows next to each heading. Note that the total combined number of bulletin board messages and Jeopardies are indicated in brackets next to the Messages button, and that there is always one message of the day. The first example shows a bulletin board message, and the second example shows a Jeopardy. Notice that in both examples, there is always a message of the day. Please see the next video to see a demonstration.